Ready, start. The calling card of India against corruption has been indignant virtues. Full stop. Its virtues derives from its leadership's record of public service. Its indignation it's directed at the corruption in India's public life. Full stop. The appeal and the drawing power of virtuous indignation lies in the brazen dishonesty of the political establishment and the middle class gifts for saying itself as the blameless victim of a parasitic state. Full stop. Arvind Kejriwal, the Anna's Hazare movement displays an early appreciation of television as a means of magnifying virtues. Full stop. In the early days, before the first Jantar Mantar passed, made Anna a household name, he drove the Baba Ramdev into the movement because of the drawing power of Ramdev's television personally. Full stop. At that time, he was uncertain whether Anna's charisma as a provisional activist would scale up to fill a national stage. Full stop. After the landmark Ramlila ground fast, which delivered the remarkable spectacles of India's imperious political class, waiting upon a fasting every move, and Anna's success is creating a civil society juggernaut seemed complete. Full stop. Parliament promised a Lokpal law based on the Jan Lokpal bill, and Anna's moral activity as a guardian passing his way to the martyrdom or political victory. Briefly, the parliament standing as the republic selected legislature. Full stop. From that high noon, Anna and his colleagues found themselves cast into the shadows as the Leviathan reasserted itself. Full stop. Using its limitless ability to the practitioners, the state denied the India against corruption its prize, a Lokpal bill. It could be pointed out to the first fruits of its popular mobilization and the India against corruption response. Each time there was an emphasis was another passed by Anna. Full stop. It became a traveling company with just one play. It's a reporter, and the happened the public stopped buying ticket. Full stop. India against corruption. They decided to support virtuous candidate fielded by other in the election. Full stop. And the antagonisms between it and the UPA become more acute. This position become the from supporting candidate opposed to the UPA. Full stop. This partnership was justified on the grounds that the governing candidate was the principally responsible both for the corruption and for the stalling corruption skewer the Lokpal bill. Full stop. This turned out to be an unsatisfactory maneuvers. Anna's movement could not be public claim credit for the UPA defeat and its moral activity as a movement that the tenant politically seemed compromised by its anti-UPA stance. Full stop. Anna's fast one trump cards become the liabilities and insist of the being upon by us public presence. Anna was embarrassed by its absence. Full stop.